Okay, I just wanted to upload a quick video of how you guys are going to use SketchLot. Um, we already went through the online program that you guys are going to use for submitting your journal entries. Now, if you are assigned a homework assignment where you have to draw an image, SketchLot is going to be what you're going to use. So I'm just going to go through kind of how to set it up and then how to use it quickly. So first off, you're going to .com and then you're going to click login. At the login screen, there's going to be a drop down menu, INA. And you're going to click on that box and you're going to select student. It's going to then ask you for a class code and the password. Your class code is going to be Dempsey Teach 1. And then each of you will have an individual password that I will email to you. When I email you that password, do not delete it. Because if you don't remember it later on, then you're going to have to save that email so that you can refer back to it. But after you click the, put in the class code, put in your password, you're going to click on go to the home screen. When you look at the home screen, it's going to say welcome, your name. You're going to, it's going to show up what class you're in, class code Dempsey Teach 1. And then you're going to see 3 different sections, my sketches, my class, and share it with me. Anything you produce, any sketches that you make, drawings that you make are going to be under my sketches. The class is going to stay the same and then share it with me. Any image that I send you is going to show up here. And you're not going to see it. It's not going to show up as an image that you would see when you do your own sketches, but you're going to have to click on show all. That's the link that's right beside share with me. Once you click on show all, then whatever I send you will pop up at right beneath that. And then if I ever for any reason send you a written message, it's going to show up in your inbox. The inbox is located at the top right. If you click that button, it'll take you to a message window. And any message I send you, you can read there. And then you can reply back to any message as well. But since I haven't had any sketches there, it asked me to create my first sketch. I'll go ahead and click on that and it'll take me to my canvas. So looking at my blank gray screen, I have my 3 navigation buttons at the top right, and then I have my working buttons on the bottom level. So the first button that I'm coming up to is my color button. Right now the default color is black. If I want to draw in black, then I leave it here. If I want to change the color so I can draw in red or color in red, then I click on the black box and then a rainbow of colors will show up and I pick which color that I want. Next to the color box is your freeform or freehand draw. So this is the drawing tool that again will default. So whatever, if you're on a tablet or on your phone, wherever it is your finger goes, this tool will draw on your pad. So you use this to do freeform drawings and to color images. Eraser, just like your finger can draw, your finger can also erase when you click on this button. Is the line tool. So let's say you want to make a straight line, not just like a hand-drawn line. You use this tool to make straight lines. You also have an option to rectangles. You click on this button and then you can make boxes or rectangles to put onto your canvas. Next is a navigation tool. So the canvas that you see here is just a little snippet of everything you have available to you. There's actually no ending of this canvas. So you can move it over to the left, you can move it over to the right, you can move it up, you can move it down, and draw some more. So that navigation button will allow you to do that. Next is, let's say you want to draw a color with just a very small, detailed, small lid or small font, then you want to make sure your cursor is all the way over toward the 1. Let's say you want big, bold lines, you want to color a lot of space in a short amount of time, then you move it over closer to the 50. So the 1 is for very small, the 50 is for very big. Next you have your clear. So let's say you want to start from scratch or you want to start a new one. You're going to press the clear and it will get rid of everything on your screen and bring it back to your blank gray canvas. Your next 2 buttons are undo and redo, like Word. Let's say that you made a mistake, but you don't want to start all the way over from the beginning, so you don't want to press clear. What you can press is undo. So the very last action that you did, that will go away. You press undo again, then the next to last action will go away. If you erase that by mistake, click redo, and that last action will then reappear. So those will be useful. And then you have your zoom buttons. Those are the last two. So you can zoom in, get closer. This is helpful for when you have detailed images that you really want to get right, or you can zoom out. This is helpful for when you have very large images and you want to see the whole picture. After you finish your drawing, that's the first button on the top right, that is Save Sketch. When you click this button, you'll see a blue word in the top left of your canvas. It says Saved. Once you see that blue word, you know that your image has been saved. Save it, you can then go to your home screen and then send it to me or share it. So you click your home screen, it takes you back. I made a test account and I logged in, and then I made a sketch, an image of the sale. So I see my sale under my sketches section. Under the image, there are two buttons. One is green and one is red. Red is delete. Okay, once you delete it, you cannot get it back. So you can't go to a recycle bin and pull it out. Once it's gone, it's gone. So don't press that button. The green button is share. So once you press the green button, the share screen comes up and it asks you pretty much who you want to share it to. I will pop up automatically. It'll say teacher, and then the button will say share sketch. You see there's also a pin it and a tweet button. So if you want to tweet out a link or pin a link of your image, you can do that as well. There's also an embed code if you want to put it on a website. I'm telling you that once you send me your image, I will tweet it to my Twitter page, to my timeline, and then I'm going to favorite it. And if you have not already gone to my website, all my favorited tweets show up on the website. So understand that once you complete your assignment and you send it to me, it will be published online for the world to see. So you want to make sure that you don't just, sketch something down and scribble something down real quick just to say you turned in something, because other people will see it and we will be able to bring it up during parent-teacher conferences. So you want to make sure that you do the best you can at all times. Now, after you share your image, the teacher button will move from above share sketch to below share sketch, above the remove button. So at that time, you know that once the teacher selection is moved, you have shared your sketch, you have sent me the assignment, and then I can review and grade it. Pretty much that's it. I want to take a moment to thank you for watching, and again, I hope it helps. If you do have any other questions that I didn't cover in the video, or for some reason your account is not working correctly, just let me know, and I'll help you problem solve it. So you can send me a note from the website, send me an email directly, or leave a voicemail over the website. Other than that, I will see you guys soon. All right.